today we have some American Wagyu beef jerky, sea salt and pepper flavored. Ooh. As you can see here, it is Wagyu beef jerky. The key here too, I'd like to point out, is that it says right at the top, American. Gingy, why is that a thing? Why do we care that it's American?
Typically, Wagyu beef is a Japanese thing. It's a staple over there. Very easily accessible. But lately, everywhere else is trying to replicate how good it is. Australia, the UK.
Australia's a big one.
Australia is a big one.
Oh, really? I thought it was primarily only raised in Japan.
Nope, not anymore.
Oh, interesting.
But America has started trying to replicate the trendy Wagyu beef cow.
Yep. Adapting the same practices for raising the beef and whatnot.
Yep.
Bold statement up here in the corner, as you'll see, says the best tasting jerky on earth, and it's guaranteed. So that's a bold statement. Oh, guys, this is a staple food item. Not to say that girls don't like beef jerky as well, but like chances are, if you're a guy, this is your jam, your wheelhouse, whatever. So, bold statement, best tasting jerky on earth, guaranteed. Also like to point out, quite expensive. My wife paid $30 for this.
Really?
Yeah, $30.
Man, I hope that's worth it.
Yeah, would you guess probably the most expensive bag of beef jerky on the market? Probably.
Maybe.
I've seen.
It's very close. I'm sure.
I don't know of any. I've never even heard of anything. If something were to even get around $20 for a bag this big, I would assume it's got to be the high. $30, man.
Here's the thing. If you go looking for it, you could probably find something more expensive. Like it's the internet. If you go looking for it, you can find it.
Yeah, I'm sure there's truffle beef jerky.
Yeah, sure.
Crazy.
So I don't know if this particular brand comes in different flavors, but it is sea salt and pepper, which sounds delicious. Gingy pointed out yesterday, felt tender through the bag.
It does.
Yeah.
I looked at it.
Very tender.
Like you would expect this to be moist. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to give it a rip here, and we're going to see if this is, in fact, the best tasting jerky on planet Earth.
I'm anxious.
I'm
I'm
excited.
anxious.
I'm excited.
Okay, I'm going to point out, smells like your regular... Smells like what you'd expect.
Smells like
regular beef jerky.
like a beef stew.
Yeah, it
All
smells
right.
like beef stew. Yeah, you nailed it.
Okay. Shane?
It's exactly what it smells like. It smells like
Okay.
beef stew.
Yeah.
All right, cheers, folks.
All right. Let's give it a shot.
We'll see if this is a smash or pass.
You know, I hate to say it, but it also tastes like beef stew. And I'm not saying that in a bad way.
I want to point out that it uses coconut sugar and coconut aminos.
Coconut sugar.
There's a hint of sweetness in there. I think it's. I can't say I don't like it. I would eat that for sure.
Yeah.
So first thing, my first impression is not, in fact, the best beef jerky
I
I've
would
ever had.
agree.
Yeah.
100%.
I would say this tastes like any other premium beef jerky you would get at a gas station.
I almost disagree with that. I think it's blander than some of the beef jerkies you can buy at gas stations.
One more small one.
Like I think part of that goes because part of that's because of the sweetness, but also like when I have beef jerky from a gas station or like Meijer or something like that, it's very flavorful. This not so much in my opinion.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
I would eat that.
Yeah.
I will continue to eat that, but I certainly wouldn't.
At the end of the day, it's still beef jerky.
Right.
To put it in Tony's words, juice ain't worth the squeeze.
Is it worth that extra money to make it Wagyu beef?
No.
I don't think so.
I don't. I really don't.
It's good.
Yeah, I think
Tasty.
there's something lost in the process, or in the thought process of dehydrating Wagyu. Like
Yeah, I'm sure that's a different process.
that doesn't, like, to me, that doesn't make sense. You're losing everything that makes Wagyu special.
The fat.
This is paleo friendly.
Neat.
Yeet.
The underlying sweetness, like, really.
It's confusing.
I'm gonna say
Yeah. I mean, I love me some teriyaki jerky.
Right,
but
right,
this
right.
is like,
it's good.
didn't expect that at all.
Earns a 6 from me. Scale 1-10. I'm going with the 6.
Maybe unpopular opinion. I like Jack Link's better.
Yeah, I think it's a 5 for me, honestly. I think your meat's right down the middle.
Yeah.
Definitely not worth the price.
I think it's ever so slightly above average because this is premium beef jerky. This is like,
Yeah.
this will stand with any good beef jerky you buy from a gas station. So take that for what you will. So
Okay.
I feel like
You've moved me.
okay.
5.5.
I stand by the point that good beef jerky comes from gas stations.
That's fair too.
Like,
I make my own.
well,
That's like their platform to get their beef
course
jerky
you
to the masses is
Yeah.
gas station.
yeah.
However, I will say that there are some places that specialize in it.
Mm-hmm.
Specialize in beef jerky.
Good piece of fat on that boy.
Let's take a look at it. Okay, I see you.
Interesting. I don't know if this is gonna change. I'm gonna let you two get that boy.
So you got 6, 5.5,
Sitting right about the same,
6.
5 or 6.
No,
I wouldn't justify spending that much extra
not at all.
on it.
Yeah, that's where I'm at with it.
I gotta go with a 6. Ooh, not bad.
I
There's-
feel.
There's an
What?
extreme lack of smoke.
Mm-hmm.
If there's any in there at all, I can't taste it.
What's a bag like this run of the other premium type jerkies that you get at gas? What would this cost?
$8,
Like
$10.
8, 10
Yeah.
bucks. That's fine.
Maybe 12 if you get a good one.
Yeah.
Like one of the ones that's not like a massive brand.
Yeah.
Like you get one of the local guys, maybe $12.
Eight servings per container. Yeah. So it looks like we're at about probably 22 out of 40. Yeah. So
Oof.
we're ever so slightly over the middle. Yeah. So as Shane said, juice ain't worth the squeeze. Very, very pricey for what it is, and
I could make better right now.
yeah, I've seen it. Make some good jerky.
Can confirm.
I will
Do
say
we have a jerky video coming?
we do.
Oh, we do. Yeah, I remember. We make so many videos. I was like, I'm pretty sure I've had beef jerky too.
This venison
I'm-
jerky, actually.
Yeah.
We can do
I'm just gonna say this now. It is tender.
Yeah.
It
Yeah,
is
no doubt.
really tender. It's consistently tender.
Yeah.
But I don't think that's helping it. The flavor isn't there.
That's not a. It's not a sell
The
point.
lack of smoke
Yeah.
really does it for me. I expect it to
Yeah.
be smoky.
Yeah. This is a one and done. So final verdict is, I think, pass.
Yeah.
Not a
It's not
smash.
not worth that change.
Yeah, it's just doesn't make sense. So there you have it. American Wagyu beef jerky. Pass.
It's a,
Yeah,
Let's try to find some Japanese Wagyu beef jerky.
deal.
That's a good idea.
All right, folks, that's it. We're wrapping up. Thanks for joining us. Check out some of our other stuff that we make ourselves and other food reviews.
Like, share, subscribe.
Bye.